Another update from BGC. Andito tayo ngayon sa 9th Avenue. So this is how BGC looks like at night or in the evening, because it's 8 o'clock in the evening right now. Ayan, ito yung bagong building na katatayo lang. This is, by the way, part of High Street South. Ito yung bagong development dito sa BGC. So if there's a High Street, there is now a High Street South. And ang dami na ring establishments, mainly restaurants. Ayan. Katabi lang actually siya ng High Street. Ito yung Nike. Ito yung may Nike store. So yung portion na yun is called High Street South. Ito siya. Ang daming development dito sa BGC. About 2 years ago, during the pandemic, wala pa tong mga yung mga building na to nasa kino-construct pa lang. And ngayon open na silang lahat. Sorry, medyo hinihingal ako. Maraming hindi pa bukas na stores or na restaurants and shops, pero marami na rin open. Ang ganda dito kasi ang tataas ng ceiling, high ceiling, and then hindi pa siya gaanong masyado maraming tao kasi hindi pa siya nadidiscover ata ng marami. Unlike yung main high street na nandun talaga yung karamihan ng activities. Dito hindi pa masyado, pero ang dami na rin tao. If you can see, medyo umuulan-ulan pa yan. Siguro much more kung maganda yung panahon. May malapit din na park dito. Again, yung BGC kasi has a lot of pocket parks, small parks scattered around BGC. And ito yung park in between the main High Street and the High Street South. So marami ng options sa makakainan. Again, if you are a coffee lover, maraming coffee shops. If you fancy drinking some alcohol, wines, marami ding options. Restaurants, mas lalong marami. And then if you're not into those things, may mga parks dito na pwede kayong puntahan. Tulad nito. Dito rin usually yung mga nag-TikTok, mga nag-video for their reels and just about anything. Doon sa kabilang dulo may nakakita ako nag-fire dance. Although ang gamit nila is parang flashlights, hindi talaga yung totoong fire, but again, yan sila. Ito yung pupunta ko sana last week. Kaso lang, ito yung time na nagka-problema yung audio ko. Kaso lang na libang ako dun sa mga ibang areas dito sa BGC, kaya hindi ako nakapunta dito. Pero yan nga, kasi dami talaga mapupuntahan dito. And this is just one of those areas na magandang puntahan. Medyo umaambo na naman kaya parang madilim siya. Well, may mga madilim na areas, pero hindi naman delikado dito. But again, I would advise you to be alert, always on alert as well, kahit nandito tayo sa BGC, kasi hindi natin alam yung mga, di ba, baka may mga masasamang tao pa rin na pumupunta dito. So kahit nasabihin natin maraming securities dito, maganda yung security, pero ingat pa rin. Ayan, tawid tayo, bully natin yung and then ito na yung papuntang High Street. Pero siguro yun nga, based sa live video ko kanina, ang dami na kasing nagbi-video dyan sa High Street. So ayoko na munang i-picture yan in this video para hindi naman kayo magsawa. Pasensya, hinihingal talaga ako kasi tumatakbo-takbo ako. Hindi lang masyadong clear ngayon yung mga buildings kasi siguro weekend, wala masyadong nagtatrabaho, and at the same time medyo cloudy din kasi nga umuulan-ulan. Ayan, the Starbucks for the coffee lovers among you. Once in a while, pwede naman natin i-treat yung sarili natin for a cup of coffee para naman makapag-relax tayo. As you can see, napaka-busy ng street, ang daming sasakyan. Siguro kasi long weekend, and Malton pa ba ngayon? Pwede na, no? Siguro ano din, sahod din, kaya lumalabas yung mga tao. At ito guys, yung sinasabi ko, maraming naka-scattered na mga upuan dito. Ang gaganda ng design pa. So even if the place looks posh, it doesn't mean na you should always spend money. This is a place for everyone, na kahit mayaman, kahit middle class, kahit yung mga ordinary citizens, pwedeng puntahan to. And you don't have to spend so much money. You don't even have to spend money kung ano, pamasahe lang, kung if that's what you want, or if you are not on a budget. Pero although you should always also expect na karamihan na mabibili dito medyo pricey din talaga, kasi of course this is a prime location, this is a business district, and medyo mahal talaga yung mga rent dito. So definitely yung mga prices would also adjust to the of course the rent and yung mga salary ng mga employees. patient. Cool lang tayo ka. Cool. Para hindi tayo ayan. Yung building na yan, ito yung may nakalagay na Infor. Ito yung Netlima. One of the most beautifully designed buildings here in BGC. And then of course, andyan din yung Ascot. Andyan yung PSE. This is their building here in BGC. I don't know if the one in Makati is still operating, pero ito yung sa BGC. And then of course yung Shangri-La. And I've heard that yung hotel sa yung hotel Shangri-La sa Makati would be operating again. I'm not sure lang kung kailan yung exact date, pero nag-close out kasi sila ng pandemic, and then magbubukas sila ulit, which is a good news para makapag-contribute ulit sila sa economy natin. Hinihingal ako. And sa mga mahilig kumimik, ayan, yan yung place. And of course dito sa High Street mismo. And then pag dinaretso mo tong street na to, that would lead you to Burger Circle. Doon marami din doon yung pwedeng kainan, restaurants, and sa mga umiinom marami din yung choices doon. Sige. In the meantime, since hinihingal ako, I would say goodbye muna siguro in the meantime para magpahinga din. But hopefully you guys are all okay and doing great. Alright, bye.